Hey there, future affiliates. Welcome to Passive Money, where we turn dreams into streams of income. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of affiliate marketing. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to sharpen your skills, this video, Affiliate Marketing 101, is your gateway to understanding and mastering this lucrative field. So, get ready to take notes and embark on a journey to financial freedom. Let's start with the basics. What is affiliate marketing? In simple terms, it's a process where you promote products or services and earn a commission for every sale made through your referral. Sounds straightforward, right? But there's more to it than meets the eye. The first step in your affiliate marketing journey is to choose a niche. Your niche should be something you're passionate about, as this passion will shine through in your content. Think about your hobbies, interests, or areas where you have expertise. The key here is to be authentic. Your audience can tell when you're genuinely interested in what you're promoting. Once you've honed in on your niche, it's time to find affiliate programs. Websites like Share a Sale, Commission Junction, and Amazon Associates are great places to start. These platforms offer a wide range of products to promote, catering to various niches. Signing up is usually free, and they provide you with all the necessary tools to get started, including unique affiliate links. Are you finding this content helpful so far? If so, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Join our Passive Money community for more insights on making money online. Now, let's talk about promoting your affiliate links. You don't need a website to be successful in affiliate marketing. Platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and even Pinterest can be your playground. The key is to create engaging, valuable content that naturally incorporates your affiliate links. For instance, if you're passionate about tech, start a YouTube channel reviewing the latest gadgets and include your affiliate links in the video description. But here's a pro tip. Always disclose your affiliate relationships to your audience. Transparency builds trust, and trust leads to higher conversion rates. Next up, content creation. This is where you can really shine. Create content that answers questions, solves problems, or entertains. Use tools like Canva for eye-catching graphics, or InVideo for creating compelling videos, even if you're new to design or video editing. Remember, quality content is key to keeping your audience engaged and coming back for more. As you create content, think about SEO or search engine optimization. Use relevant keywords in your video titles and descriptions to improve your visibility on search engines. Tools like TubeBuddy or Google's Keyword Planner can help you find the right keywords that align with your niche. Another crucial aspect is consistency. Regularly posting content keeps your audience engaged and helps build a loyal following. This doesn't mean you need to post daily, but setting a schedule and sticking to it is vital. Consistency is the secret sauce to growing your presence and, in turn, your affiliate income. All right, affiliate warriors, that wraps up our guide on starting your journey in affiliate marketing. Remember, the road to success in affiliate marketing is paved with patience, persistence, and consistent effort. Like this video if you found it helpful, and hit subscribe for more content to guide you on your path to making money online with passive money. Until next time, keep hustling and stay dedicated to your financial goals.